The designers of every electric vehicle face three major challenges: autonomy, performance, and compactness. The Mecalac E12 is the first wheeled excavator in the world with a 100% electric power supply that doesn't compromise on any of these three challenges. The key to autonomy and performance lies in the fundamental design of this machine. The energy source, separated from the turret, allows a record capacity of 146 kWh, offering an unrivaled autonomy of 8 hours. The chosen battery technology combines a significantly superior lifetime to traditional batteries, along with complete safety. Two electric motors provide simultaneous and independent control of both the excavating and driving functions. The all-electric transmission offers unmatched tractive effort at startup and provides energy recovery when braking. The incredible power density of the electric motors ensures extreme compactness and maintenance-free operation. A perfect alliance of design and technology, the Mecalac E12 paves the way for safer, cleaner and more efficient urban construction sites.